Welcome to Marvel Land. This is the prettiest place in the whole world. We live in a big, pretty house. My mummy, daddy, and I. I have a lot of friends in Marvel Land. We all go to school and we play together too. Hi. Oh, yes. My name is Raisha. And this is my home. I have a lot of fun with my friends in Marvel Land. Would you like to be my friend? We shall have a lot of fun together. Come on and join us.
So great is the world in which we live. It has so much to give, so much to give. There is so much to know while we grow. Lots of things to learn and places to go. So great is the world in which we live. It has so much to give, so much to give. So great is the world in which we live. It has so much to give, so much to give. Fun and learn, 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 fun and
What happened to you, Molly? Why are you so sad? Don't cry, Molly. Why are you crying?
I fell
When?
yesterday and I got hurt here.
Saisha!
There, I saw something near the banyan tree. It's new. 2 days before it was not there.
What are you saying, Gobby? What was not there earlier?
The plant.
What?
The plant. It's a magical plant.
Magical? Like Maya?
I don't know. I'm going to tell everybody. Why don't you come and have a look at it?
Come, Molly. Let us go see the magical plant.
I cannot run. It is hurting.
I wish Vayu uncle would be here. He could carry you.
Oh, he's white cloud.
Yes, on his white cloud, high in the sky, where only he can fly.
Yes.
Yes, I wish he was here.
Stop, Sandy. I want to tell you something. You first catch me, Bobby. Wow, a baby plant. Ah, ooh. I got you. Look, Pete, over there, the magical plant.
Why, uncle? loves all the animals and trees. They are all his friends.
All the animals? The lion too?
Yes,
Where does Vayu uncle live?
he can fly anywhere. He is everywhere.
Is he here?
Yes, he can come here if we make a wish.
It's a baby plant.
No, it's a magical plant.
Magical plant?
Yes. Don't you remember? Maya once told us about it. If you make a wish to the magical plant, it will come true.
Did you make a wish?
No. I was thinking, can it bring me some chocolate pastries?
I think it is just a plant, like the others. But how did it grow here? It must be magical.
Let us find out if it is magical.
How can we do that, Saisha?
We will make a wish and see if it comes true. Oh, little baby magical plant. Can you bring Vayu uncle here?
See, I told you. It's not magical.
Maybe we should ask it to bring us some chocolate pastries.
It's a baby plant. Maybe it's the banyan tree's baby.
I wish Vayu uncle would be here.
Hey, look! It's Vayu uncle. Vayu uncle! Vayu uncle!
Hey, hello friends, and hello big man.
So, was it the magical plant, uncle, that got you here?
What magical plant? It was Saisha's true wish and your love, friends, that brought me here. You know, Saisha, what is the name of my little angel of Marvel Land? How is Molly, my little angel?
Uncle, I fell.
Oh, don't worry, dear. I know Molly is a strong girl.
It hurt me here.
Oh, but don't you worry, dear. I know it's going to be okay.
How is it going to be okay, uncle?
First tell me what you like to eat.
I like cakes and I like fruits.
Fruits? Fruits. Okay, let me guess which fruit you like the most. Apple?
Nah,
All right. Then it must be, strawberries.
I like strawberries.
I like strawberries too.
Oh, look! It's Maya.
Hello, Maya.
Is that what little Molly likes?
I love strawberries. Can I have them?
Yes, dear. We shall all have strawberries.
I don't like fruits.
Really? Then what do you like, dear?
I asked for some chocolate pastries from the magical plant, but
Did you say magical plant, dear?
yes, over there. We found a magical plant over there.
Is it really a magical plant, Maya?
It's so beautiful.
Tell us, Maya. Is it a magical plant?
Yes, friends, it's magical. But it's not like the magic that I do. It is the nature's magic.
The nature's magic?
Yes. Would you like to see it?
Yes.
But for that, we'll all have to go to the nature's magical garden.
Shall we all go, friends?
Yes.
So great is the world in which we live. It has so much to give, so much to give. So great is the world in which we live. It has so much to give, so much to give. There is
All right, friends, we're almost there. I think we should land now.
lots of things to learn and places to go. There is so much to know while we grow. Lots of things to learn and places to go. So great is the world in which we live. It has so much to give, so much to
Is this the magical garden?
Yes, we'll spend the whole day here. And we are going to see a lot of magic.
The whole day. But we brought nothing to eat with us.
Don't worry, dear Bobby. It's a magical garden. We'll get a lot of things to eat here. Go and have a look around. You'll find a lot of magic out here.
Where is Budo?
See, he has already started looking around. Don't worry. It's the nature's garden. It's safe here.
I'll find him.
learn about the universe, learn about space, learn about the world in many different ways. The beauty of nature, creations of man. Learn with fun as much as you can. The beauty of nature, creations of man. Learn with fun as much as you can. The world is like a marveland. Let fun and learn go hand in hand. The world is like a marveland. Let fun and learn go hand in hand. So great is the world in which we
See, I've got a butterfly.
live. So
You like the butterfly? Look, don't touch. Oh. Magic! Where is Sandy? Ooh, magic! What are we looking at? Shh. Is it some magic? It's a parrot up there. I saw it. What is it doing? It is eating something. What? I don't know. Wow! I know it's a guava. It's a guava. it's tasty. Will the parrot give me a guava too?
Yes, it will.
See, it gave me one. It's tasty. Magic. We'll tell everybody. Thank you, parrot.
Let's guess the names of fruits today.
Green or yellow in color, guava is my name. Parrots love to eat me, you also do the same.
Why does it keep falling on me again and again? Magic. Let me ask Maya. I'll take them to her.
What would you like to be when you grow up?
I want to be like you.
Like me?
Yes, beautiful like you.
Oh, so you want to be a beauty queen?
Can I become so beautiful?
Of course, you will. You are already so pretty.
What is it?
It's nature's magic, my dear. It is called a pear. It will make your skin so beautiful, just like a princess.
Is pear a magical fruit?
Yes, my dear. All fruits have nature's magic in them.
Let's guess the names of fruits today.
My shape is like a bulb you use for light. I taste good and sweet, so please take a bite. I am a pear.
We saw the nature's magic. Yes, I saw it too.
Vayu uncle and I saw the magic too.
Gobby, did you also see some magic?
Yes. They keep falling on my head every time.
Oh, these are apples.
I know these are apples, but why do they fall on my head?
They must be telling you, eat me, Gobby.
I don't eat apples. I don't like apples.
Tasty. Do you like, do you know what they say about apples?
Uncle, I know. They say an apple a day keeps the doctor away.
Yes, you're such a smart kid. I eat apples because I don't like to go to the doctors. And apples keep me healthy and make me strong.
Uncle, even I eat apples whenever my mommy gives me.
Doctors? Oh, I don't like them too. They use needles. I think I should start eating apples then.
Maya, you know what we saw? We saw a parrot. It was eating a guava.
Oh, really? You know, the parrots love guava.
Maya, the parrot gave us 2 guavas. Yes, they were so tasty. But now I'm feeling hungry again. Can we go back and have some more guavas?
Aren't you having fun with nature's magic? Fruits are so light and easy to digest, and they're tasty too. Wait, I'll bring some more fruits for all of us.
Wow, bananas! They are our favorite.
Wow, bananas are my favorite too. They make you strong and healthy.
But Uncle, Budo cannot eat an apple or a banana.
Let's guess the names of fruits today.
I'm long and white, but my skin is green or yellow. And let me tell you, I'm a very healthy fellow.
Children, it's a banana.
What do we do now?
Don't worry, friends. Budo can have a fruit juice.
An orange juice?
Yes, he would love orange juice.
Is orange juice good?
Yes, dear, it's very good. Budo will grow big and strong very soon.
Big like you, Uncle.
Yes. Big like me. Won't you, my big man?
Let's get some fresh oranges for Budo. All right, the orange juice is ready. Now who's going to have it?
Budo!
Let's guess the names of fruits today. If you know my color, you will know my name. My name and color are the same.
Orange! Yay! He will become big like you now?
Yes, one day. One day, all of you will become big and healthy.
And strong like you too?
Yes, strong too. But you should have a lot of fruits.
Tell us, Uncle, how will we become like you?
Okay, then listen to me carefully. To become big and also strong like me, you should all eat well, sleep well, and
Eat well and sleep well. Oh, that is what I always do, Uncle.
oh, Gobby. Eating well also means eating a lot of fruits.
But, Uncle, how do fruits make us strong?
Well, dear friends, as Maya said, fruits are the nature's magic. They have many magical powers that keep you healthy all the time.
Saisha, you didn't tell us about what you and Vayu saw today?
Oh yes, we saw the grapes. Uncle, look. Are those grapes?
Yes, dear. Don't they look beautiful?
Uncle, I don't see any tree. How do they grow then?
Grapes do not grow on trees, dear. They grow on creepers. Can you see its thin stem? It needs support to grow because its stem is not strong, so it cannot stand erect.
Are grapes nature's magic too?
Yes, Grapes too are nature's magic.
Let's guess the names of fruits today.
We grow in a bunch on a creeper. When the fox didn't get us, he said we are sorry.
Children, these are grapes.
Isn't that amazing? So we all saw the magic of nature. Fruits are the magic of nature.
But Maya, you didn't tell us about the magical plant we found near the banyan tree.
Oh, yes. I was about to tell you about that. It is a sapling of the guava tree.
I know now. It was the parrot that dropped the seeds of guava there.
Yes, that is possible, dear. It's all nature's magic.
Thank you, Maya. Thank you, Uncle. Thank you.
You're always welcome, my dear friends. Now let's fly back to our marvel land.
Yay!
Yay!
We will fly again.
Uncle, is that a jungle?
Yes, dear, it's a big jungle.
Are there animals out there?
There are a lot of them. When you take a closer look, you'll see a lot of them.
Look, a monkey. It is eating something.
Yes, it is eating a custard apple. The mountains of Marvel Land are full of them.
Wait, we'll go closer. Let us pick up some for all of us. Don't pluck the ones that are hard. Custard apples are soft if they are ripe.
Let's guess the names of fruits today.
I am green and rough on the outside, with creamy flesh and black seeds inside. I am a custard apple. I am a custard apple.
Custard apple? Uncle, can I keep some for home?
Of course, my dear.
Yes, yes. And I shall help you finish them at home tomorrow.
Oh, Gobby.
All right, kids. Remember, you should have a lot of fruits to make the nature's magic work for you.
Yes, eat fruits, sleep well, and be healthy. Bye for now, until we meet again.
Goodbye, Maya.
Goodbye,
Uncle.
Uncle.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, kids.
So great is the world in which we live. It has so much to give, so much to give.
So great is the world in which we live. It has so much to give, so much to give.
There is so much to know while we grow. Lots of things to learn and places to go. So great is the world in which we live. It has so much to give, so much to give. Oh,